Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create a beating heart edit on CapCut. So open up a red background, select it, and you are going to go to mask and choose heart, and then from here you can where is it, go to mask, and then I'm going to adjust the heart a little bit, like so. And then here I'm going to add a keyframe at the beginning, and then another keyframe. And then on the second keyframe, I'm going to make the heart a little bit bigger. And then on the third keyframe, I'm going to make it smaller again. And then I'm just going to keep on doing that. Doesn't have to be super accurate, but I'm just going to keep on doing that. And then in between those keyframes, I'm going to add a graph. Going to add the ease in graphs between all of the keyframes, like so. And that is, and that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!